All right, behind me is by far the coolest Porsche I've ever driven in my life. This thing is sick. Running because, what? Pretty cool too, I guess. I've done a lot of 991 GT2s, GT2 RSs, GT3 RSs, 991 turbos that make 1,000 horsepower, make 1,400 horsepower, to all the 993s at Sonderworks and all the older 964s and 930s. This tops everything. This is a backdated 964, I believe. I'll confirm that here soon. But wow, this thing is sick. It looks good. Check it out. What an absolute spec on this thing. I don't know what blue that is. I'll call that out in a second. With that absolutely sweet burnt orange interior with the Recaros got the canvas on them. Like, woo! Yeah, man. That's the ish. What? I mean, come on, with the matching gauge cluster and the white centers, the RSR stuff, the actual Redline foot pads, the matching doors, the beautiful like metal handle, the pull cloth actual door stuff, then the actual what is this, handle stuff. I'm at a loss for words. I'm making words up at this point because this thing is just epic. Like, wow, I haven't even started taking pictures yet. I just had to do this. It's freaking wow. I'll get a video of the bay here in a second, but yeah, let's check out a couple of photos. And now let's check out the bay and stuff. I had to do this while I was running because, just nasty. You can eat off that. This is just, I feel privileged to drive it. All right, a truly special drive. Let's do a little tiny blip so you guys know what it sounds like. Oh, I'd kill to go harder than that, but this thing is absolutely perfect. And I don't want to do any more than that. So yeah, that's you're gonna get, because I'm too much of a pansy to do any more than that. But holy cannoli, this thing is perfect. But yeah, that's this old girl. That thing is pretty freaking epic. Rob looks kind of cool driving it, I guess. He's gonna have his very own here soon. We'll show you his pink one in a second. Woo! I didn't want to back it in. But yeah, I don't know what's cooler, that or this bad girl. Who knows? I know my choice. It'd be that thing. But this thing's pretty cool too, I guess. I referenced your pink one. You want to show the world your pink one? Or you're not ready? Yeah, go ahead. You ready? I'm ready, yeah. Okay. But this is Rob's, and yours is a 77. This is Rob's pretty car. And what is it called? Color? What? Magenta? That's kind of plain for Porsche, huh? Yeah. It doesn't look plain though. He said he's gonna put the dash in. Oh, the dash is in. It's not in. It's not in all the way. It's just sat in there. It needs to be trimmed. Cool. Yeah, this thing. We'll keep up progress on this thing. I'm making Rob come over to the house this weekend, maybe in the green car, and let's go driving. All right, sounds good. All right, guys. We'll do it for the YouTubes. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week with some more cool stuff.